बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। Now my name is Haidar Azhar. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we will learn math basics. In math basics we will see division of fractions. In previous video, first of all we see addition of fraction, then we see subtraction of fraction, then we see multiplication of fraction. Now we will see division of fraction. Okay, let's take an example. First of all, we'll write this fraction. Write down as it is down. Done. In this division sign, it will become in multiply sign. Again, the denominator comes on numerator place and numerator will become on denominator place, like this. You know how to do now multiplication. We see in previous video too now. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Means it is not cutting. It is our answer. Okay, let's take an example. Now, you know exactly there is plus. Now, first of all, this fraction again write down as it is down. Now, the division sign, it will become in multiply sign, you know. And the place will be changed. The sign will be not change, the place. Okay? Minus plus a minus 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 2s, 3 3s are 9. It is not cutting. That's why it is our answer. Look the different. There is 4 9 answer. Now it is minus 4 9 answer. Okay, you understood? No subscribe, no like, only share.